right. We are going to make some ice cream. Huh? Are you excited? We couldn't decide if we wanted to make Thai tea ice cream or Oreo ice cream. So we're gonna do both. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Rae, huh? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Ooh, wait. Yeah. So first we're gonna take a cup of Thai tea mix.
Daddy.
Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna take the Thai tea mix and we're gonna pour it into this bowl, which has the whole milk and heavy cream. I want us to get steeped in. Ooh, whoa, watch it, baby. We get steeped in real nice. So here we go. Alright, now we're just gonna stir it in just a little bit. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes or so. See, even after just a minute or so, you can see the orange really starting to come in. Well, not yet. Oh, no. Well, that was a mistake. Alright, so we got Reagan cleaned up for the most part. And right now we're going to do the Oreos.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody is a fan. We're going to do these while we wait for the Thai tea to settle in. Not yet, baby. Alright, so we got the Oreos all crushed up. Now we're going to grab the Thai tea.
Daddy.
Yep. Alright, so now we are going to strain the Thai tea through here.
Gaia.
Or Reagan's going to do it. Alright, so now the Thai tea is ready. Just got to add some sugar. Alright, so now just let it mix for a little bit.
Yeah.
Should be good to go. Yeah.
Yeah.
She likes it. Alright, this is where I pull out my Cuisinart Ice 30 BC. Got it at Bed Bath & Beyond for about 80 bucks. Huh. Yeah, so pretty good deal. I think anybody can get it at home. Most importantly is having the bowl in that essentially has to stay in the freezer for about 24 hours. You can see it get nice and cold right there on the side. If you can touch it and it like hurts a little bit because it's so cold, then it should be good. Alright, now looking at it, should be about done. So, let's turn it off. Take a look at it. I know you can't tell, but it looks good to me. Does it look good to you? She's still got a little Thai tea on her face, don't mind her. Alright, so now we got the mix in there. It's good to go. It's plugged in. Alright, I want to take this bad boy. Put that right on. Take the top. Put that on. Turn it on. Alright, so now we got the timer going for about 25 minutes, which should be about enough time to get that going. Typically at the 5-minute mark is when I put in the mix-ins. So if you have any of Oreos or kind of stuff, you can kind of throw it in then. Alright, so now, since we have about 20 plus minutes or so, we're just going to hang out. I think we should probably get ready for bed, don't you think?
Yeah.
You want some milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey, Rae, how excited are you for some milk?
Yeah.
Yeah! Alright, so there's about 9 minutes left. You can see it's already starting to come together pretty nice, so it might be time to add in some Oreos. Yeah. Alright, she's back.
Daddy.
Yeah, Oreo! Alright, so we got the Oreos mixed in. Reagan approves. They look pretty good. Yeah. What do you think, baby? Oh, no, don't touch though. Yeah, Oreos. Nope, nope. What do you think? Is it good? Alright, and that looks about done, so let's take it out. Yeah, so here it is. Finished product. Thai tea Oreo. What do you think, Rae? Alright, so that is it. Thai tea Oreo ice cream. Reagan definitely wants some, but it's almost bedtime, so can't have any. Sorry, baby. Maybe tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Rae, can you say night-night?
No.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.